how to restore or deleted Instagram reel to your profile. So let's dive into the process and watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram here. So once you have opened up your Instagram here, you have to navigate to your profile and tap on the hamburger option, which is on the top right corner of the screen. And you have to navigate to your story archive. And here you have to just go for the post archive option here. So once you are on your post archive, if you find the any archive store, any archive reels, you can just go for that and so on profile. So there is no way to restore or delete it Instagram reel. You have to just go back and again open up your Instagram here and tap on the plus icon. And here you have to go for the reel option and tap on the one of the reel that you want to upload again. So after that, you can easily restore or delete it Instagram reel. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.